All right, we're going to work on multiplying and dividing with integers. Again, positive and negative whole numbers. If you multiply or divide two numbers that have the same sign, whether they are both positive or they are both negative, your answer will be positive. If you multiply or divide different signs, it doesn't matter which one's larger or which one's smaller, a positive times a negative or a negative times a positive, your answer is always negative. Okay, it doesn't matter larger versus smaller on multiplication. You're just looking at if they have the same sign, they're buddies, they become positive. If they're opposite signs, they clash, they become negative. So 4 times negative 7. Opposite signs, my answer is going to be negative. 4 times 7 is 28. Negative 3 times negative 5. A negative times a negative is going to make a positive because they're the same. 3 times 5 is 15. Notice I'm using a dot for multiplication. You will see a dot or you will see numbers placed in parentheses. For example, 3 parenthesis negative 6. That means multiplication. 3 times negative 6. There's not a sign in front of the 3, which means it's positive. So you have a positive times a negative. Opposite signs means you have a negative answer. 3 times 6 is 18. Be careful with your multiplication skills. Don't worry about the signs. Just multiply the two numbers. Your sign is something that you can get afterward. Same sign, both positive or both negative, your answer ends up positive. Opposite signs, one positive, one negative, your answer is negative.